Okay, London session done. Took one trade on oil. So what I saw in oil was a signal day. It was a fake out day that's going in the direction of the last daily breakout level. So when I get that, I'm looking for a high of the day sell to continue down to at least the previous day low. It's my favorite setup. So coming into London, right before London, faked out the previous H8 high, faked out the previous H8 high again, and then so I entered. Um, Once that happened, I went down to the lower time frames at the 5 minute, mark off the last bullish breakout bar, and then I enter on the first breakout bar that breaks that level, and then went underneath the H8 level. The idea is that I'm trading the higher time frames, and I'm trading the push of the higher time frame. So yeah, that was one trade. That was the only trade I took. So I'm aiming for the previous day low, and I took partials. I've already taken partials already, and that's it. That's the only trade I took. Yeah, so I took partials because the H8 breakout level, I was coming towards the H8 breakout level, and once it broke, it's this level right here. So I'm bullish above the breakout level, bearish below. I'm okay taking it this high up because I have enough room to go break even. But once this started to come back, I decided to take partials. But it just continued on so far. So let's see how far this goes. So yeah, that's the only trade I took. I had other signal days. I had DE30, which was a breakout. Um, it was in breakout, so I was looking to take it up. The signal day is a change in the bias. So I'm looking to take buys on this. Coming into the session, it broke out. The entry happened before my session. So I could not take that. It faked out the H4 low to go up. So that's breakout and faked out the H8 low. So when it's a breakout high, fakes out the low, that's a breakout continuation. So the entry was before my time. But even if I had gotten that, I would have been taken out break even for sure. And then later on, H8 high fake out above the breakout level. That's a breakout reversal setup. Could have taken this down, but it's against my signal, so I wouldn't have taken that. That's a trade I would have taken in New York, but Asia and London, I don't trade against my setup that I'm looking for. Um, yeah, so there was no trade on DE30. UK 100, I was looking, it was same thing. I was looking for a buy on UK 100, trending day signal, um, looking to take a breakout trade, but I did not like this because I would be trading right into the previous month high, which was right here. Yeah, so I was trading right into the previous month high, so I didn't want to take that. Um, didn't present any entry for me, and the range here is too small for me to take anyways. Um, the other day there was another signal day. It's this I didn't take that for the same reason. The range is too small. Yeah, so no trade on UK 100. Oil I took, and then for forex there were quite a bunch. I had Euro NZD as a trending signal day, but same thing in Asia. It broke below. I'm looking for on a trend signal day. I'm looking for a trend retracement setup, 3-star setup, but it requires to be the breakout level on my side, and this one it already kind of went down below the breakout level and also triggered the previous day high. I'm looking for it not to be triggered. So Euro NZD was out for London. EJ, GA, I took EJ in Asia, took partials down here. Still in this one, still going. No entry in London. There was a nice re-entry in Asia, but I didn't take that one. Um, GBP AUD, same thing in Asia. I was looking for a low of the day buy. Never triggered the H8 until just now and shot down. Not interested in that anymore. And then I had three discretionary um, signals. So GU and EU were the same in that um, EU had a trending day a fake out continuation signal a couple days back, and then last Friday ended with an inside day. Usually, these inside days are good to trade at the edges to continue the move. Um, I took this one on Friday, took partials, got my runners got taken out, didn't get an entry in New York. Was looking to trade it today, but the entry was in Asia, so I missed this move. I don't look at this pair in Asia. I only look at it starting in London. So there was no trade on EU. GU was the same thing. Had a signal day a couple of days back. The next day was an inside day, looking for a high of the day sell today, but the entry was in, I believe it was in Asia again. Yeah. So is a bit um, too wide, the stop loss. And even then, it moved before my session. So I could not take this. And that was it. So, last one, Euro GBP. Um, yeah, I'm not sure why I marked this off. I think, yeah, oh yeah, this one, it had a breakout, breakout reversal, touched the previous low over here, which is right, so it broke out, breakout reversal, touched the previous low, which is a fake out retracement. So I was looking for a fake out continuation down because yesterday closed as a fake out day. Um, yeah. So, but as you can see, I was looking for a fake out of the H8 high to take it down at the fake out level, but instead it just shot up. So no trade on that. So the only one I took was oil, um, and that's it. That's it.